It's your girl Chloe. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already spring. Oh my goodness, the weather is awesome. There are flowers everywhere. I see sprouts just coming up and it's just my favorite season. I know you guys have heard this over and over again that spring is my favorite season, but I just get really excited when spring comes around. But today, my tutorial has nothing to do with spring, I just got excited. But today I really wanted to show you guys what I've been getting questioned a lot on. Some people have been asking me through Instagram and different channels that, they wanted to know how I draw my overlips. I know that I started this in February. I started getting really obsessed over lip liners and just drawing my lips kind of more fuller than they are. And right now I have nothing on my lips. This is just my natural color. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. But yeah, sorry guys, ignore that. That's Butter playing with her toy. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys how to do that. So this is going to be a short video showing you how to do just that. Alright, so keep watching if you want to find out. Alright, the thing about drawing thicker lips like overlips is that it's not hard at all. Some people think, oh, how do you even do that? How can I do that? But it's really not hard. And you don't even need lip fillers. I used to think maybe I need lip fillers, but you guys see my lips, it's not really thin or anything. So I felt like, oh, I could maybe work with it and not get injections because it, I heard that it really hurts, and I'm just not good at just shots and injections altogether. So yeah, that's why I was looking for different lip liners, and I first ran into this one, the WAKEMAKE one, and you guys see this a lot in my videos. And oh my gosh, after drawing my lips with these, oh my gosh, it was just like so lovely. But then I also found this one from MISSHA, and so what's in my hair? And this was a lot cheaper, so if you guys are looking for something kind of cheap and kind of similar, go for this one as well. MISSHA has a broad range of just different colors in their lip liners. I'm just going to briefly talk about what are the areas that you need to really focus on when you're drawing over lips. Alright, first of all, yes, bottom lips have to be really juicy, right? And so sometimes people just draw onto here, but I think that this line where you see the colors, this is also your lip, and you have to go all the way down there to make thicker lips. If not, and if you do gradation, yeah, you're not gonna get the full effect of the overlip. And so I like to draw all the way down here. Just think that all this shadow is also your lips, okay? The next place is right here in your Cupid bow. It's really important for you to draw a straight line. I just smile and then I draw a straight line right here, and then when I go back to my lips and stop smiling, it already has this fuller effect right here. And then I also like to focus on the corners of my lips because this is also where it defines your lips are, and so I like to also fill in that side and also make this side follow the line. You guys see this line, right? It's kind of white. This is where the light is reflected. I go all the way there as well. So the reason why I use these colors is because they're really close to my natural lip colors, and like it's like a color between my skin tone and my lip color, so it's not too weird. Because if I use like red lip liner, then it might not look as natural. So I'm gonna show you the colors of my lip liners. I have the WAKEMAKE Skinny Lip Crayon in Rose Quartz. It's kind of like an MLBB. It's very similar to my lip color and my skin color. But do make sure you test these because I do have really fair skin. And the one I have in MISSHA Silky Lasting Lip Pencil is in antique box, and it's also a very like beige. Today, as usual, I'm gonna go in with my Rose Quartz to show you guys how to line my lips. So like I said, I'm gonna go in with the bottom lip first. So I start here. But you guys see what I mean? It's really close to my natural lip colors, so maybe it's hard for you guys to see. Okay, maybe I'll use Antique Box. Maybe it'll show more. Oh yeah. So Antique Box is a little more colorful, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a straight line right here. I'm gonna smile and make a straight line like this. Okay, so when I stop smiling, there's still that line. And then I'm gonna go into the corners of my mouth. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to just define the sides of my upper lips. Okay, so you guys see that I cover the parts where it reflects the light as well. I'm just going to smudge it a little bit to fill the colors into the inner parts of my lips. But you guys see there's clearly a difference now that I've lined my lips. It looks way fuller. So what I do, it doesn't stop here. What I do is I take a very beige-ish, like pink MLBB color, and if you guys are wondering what colors look good, you can go to my other video on spring MLBB lip colors. And the one I'm using today is Etude House Dear My Blooming Lipstalk in BE115 Thinking Beige. And this was also featured in my previous video. This is the color you get. It's kind of like pinkish beige. So this is going to be my base color, and I'm going to fill in my lips. So now you guys can tell there's a big difference, right? Before and after is very, 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 very different. My lips looks really a lot fuller and a lot bigger than it actually is. And so you can fake it like this, and if you want to add a little bit of volume, I find the color that is a little stronger like this. This is the Georgio Armani's Lip Maestro in 402. It's like reddish orange, and then just add it to the inner part of your lips. Use your finger, or lip brush. There you go. Instantly your lips look a lot fuller and a lot bigger, and this is just what I do to create this like lips that look like you got lip fillers done, but you know, you didn't have to go through any pain. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and that this video was helpful and answered some of your questions on how I do my lip makeup lately and how I create this oversized lip kind of look without getting lip fillers. So I hope you guys go out there, experiment with your own shades and own colors, and be able to find something that suits you. So if you guys like this video, please click the like button. If you have anything to tell me, then drop some love down on the comment box below. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then you know what to do. Click, 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 and I'll see you guys in my next video.